Breaking news coming in right there. Khalistanis desecrated the statue of Mahatma Gandhi during a protest organized by Sikh American youth in support of farmers who are protesting against the recently enacted agriculture laws in India. Hundreds of Sikhs carried out a car rally to the Indian Embassy in downtown Washington, D.C. However, the peaceful protest, and I reiterate, the peaceful protest was soon hijacked by the separatist Sikhs who were carrying Khalistani flags with anti-India posters and banners. The Indian Embassy has now condemned the mischievous act and launched a strong protest with US law enforcement agencies. Geeta Mohan is now joining us. Geeta, first to understand what really happened over there as far as the farm stir is concerned in Washington, D.C. You had a peaceful protest, which was then, attacked, or rather I would say joined in by the Khalistani protesters carrying the anti-India flags and posters. If you could just tell us if the entire protest was carried out by these separatists, or was it that the Khalistani elements were found in these peaceful protests?
Well, in the case of this incident, and particularly in what we're seeing in most of the farmer protests that are being carried out abroad, that Khalistani elements are entering these protests. There are some who are from the Punjabi and Sikh community and from the Indian community who have been peacefully protesting, raising questions with regards to the laws and asking the administration to really take the issue up with Indian authorities. Having said that, there are elements, Khalistani elements, who have not just tried to hijack the entire process, but in many cases there are reports of the entire protest being led by these elements as well. But in this one case, the protests were peaceful, were supposed to be peaceful, and it's only like the press release of the Indian Embassy says that Khalistani elements and hooligans masquerading as protesters against came in and defaced the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. This is not the first time that we've seen the statue of Mahatma Gandhi outside the Indian Embassy in Washington, D.C. being defaced or being brought down or being attacked in many ways than one, Chetty. It has happened in the past as well. Black Lives Matter was another protest where we saw Mahatma Gandhi's statue being defaced. Not the first time, but certainly a huge message to the Indian government by the Khalistani elements in what they've been doing, not just in the United States of America, but also in Canada and the United Kingdom.
All right, we'll continue tracking this story in detail and keep going back to Geeta for more perspective as we go along the way.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.